morning students, welcome to computer hardware lab class for 6th semester ETC students. On today's class we will be discuss about the basic ideas of computer related to your input device, output device. Okay, so let's start with the first experiment. Experiment number 1. So here the aim of experiment is to study the personal computer layout and what type of equipment required. You need the personal computer only. So let's start with the topic. What is computer? A computer in simple terms can be defined as an electronics device that is designed to accept the data. It performs the required mathematical or logical operation at a high speed and it displays the output, that is nothing but called your result also. The basic computer organization is a computer is an electronics device that basically performs accepting data or information or instructions. It's storing the data also. It processing the data, it displaying the result or output, it control and coordinate all the operations inside a computer. So here you got the idea that computer is nothing but one type of electronics device which accept the data from the user and processes depend upon the instruction. Then after processing it gives you the output, that is nothing but called your result also. Okay, so the three sequences there: input, process and output. Input device, this is the process of entering the data and instructions into the computer. This data or instruction can be entered into the computer system by using different input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, MICR, OMR, VCR, then camera, etc. also. Okay, and be remember your keyboard is your standard input device. Okay. Now, what do you mean by keyboard? It is the standard or main input device for the computer. It contains various keys in a board such as alphabet, that is A to Z is there, and as you know you have to enter the number, that is your 0 to 9. You are also using the function key that start from F1 to F12. Okay, and you are having also escape key, control key, tab key, shift key, caps lock, enter key, noms lock pad, and page up and page down also. Okay, so as per input device, the first input device is your keyboard, and this keyboard is nothing but called your standard input device. Means each system is mostly connected with your keyboard. Then next input device can be attached, may be attached or may not be attached. Okay, that may be you are having, basically you are having the keyboard must, and parallelly maybe the mouse is attached, maybe the scanner is attached, maybe your joystick or other input devices can be attached to your system. Okay, now next one is your whatever the different types of keyboards are there. Okay, now types of keyboard means it is basically divided into standard keyboard and your multimedia keyboard, which consists of 108 keys and 115 keys. Okay, now connection of keyboard. How the keyboard should be getting connected to the system? The keyboard can be connected with different ports like serial port, PS2 port, USB port, etc. Okay, and what advantages you are getting from that keyboard? The keyboard is easy to use and very cheap price. And what disadvantage you are getting? The keyboard cannot be used to draw any figure. Okay, so from this point you got the idea that keyboard is the basic standard input device where any type of text can be typed, no graphics can be used in terms of keyboard. Okay. Mouse. The mouse is an input device that used for graphical user interface. That means the keyboard is related to your character user interface, whereas mouse is related to your graphical user interface. It can be shortly pronounced as CUI and your GUI also. Okay. Now, basically your mouse is having three types, like your scroll mouse, wireless or cordless mouse, and optical mouse. Nowadays the optical mouse is very much popular and it is used to create graphics such as lines, curves and freehand shapes on the screen. And mouse can be connected with different ports like serial port, PS2 port and USB port. And it is also having the left button, right button and scroll button also. So from this point you got the idea that keyboard can also have the same port. The serial port is there, PS port is there and your USB port is there. And on your mouse also that same serial, PS2 and USB port is there. Okay. Now the third one is your scanner. It is an input device which scan or convert the physical images, photographs, written documents in a system, that is it convert the physical image to a computer files. Okay. Now next one is your camera. So camera is also one type of input device. So video input signal devices are used to capture videos from the outside world into the computer. So the term video means moving pictures along with the sound also. We are having sound card to convert the analog audio signal to digital data and vice versa also. So like such a manner, video card is to convert analog signal to digital signal and vice versa also. Okay. So here we know that camera is one type of input device and it is also having two types of camera. One is your digital camera and another one is your web camera also. So next is your output device. As you know that input device is one type of device through which the user can pass the data or instruction into the system, and output device is one type of device. Through that device we are able to get the information or output. Okay. So now what do you mean by output device? It is the device that gives information from a computer can be called an output device. Basically, output devices are electromechanical device that accept signal, digital data in the form of 0, 1 or 1, 1 from the computer and convert them into human understandable language. So as output device is also divided into some sections, majorly two sections. The output device is giving you the output in terms of soft copy and in terms of hard copy also. So inside soft copy you will be getting monitor, projector, speaker also. And as for hard copy, printer is there, plotter is there. Okay. So let's discuss about soft copy and hard copy. So soft copy device produce an electronic version of an output. The first one is your monitor, that is nothing but called your visual display unit, or in short we can pronounce as VDU also. So it is a soft copy device generated by the computer through the video card, and different types of videos are there. That is your CRT monitor is there, LCD monitor is there, TFT monitor is there, LED monitor is there. Okay. And as for hard copy device, it's a device produce a physical form of output. The content of a file printed on a paper is a form of hard copy output. That means, as for soft copy, whatever the output you are getting, that is not touched by you, that is not tangible by you, okay. But whereas hard copy is touchable by the user and easily tangible or movable by the user. So, as for hard copy, the example is printer is there. So, printer is a device that accepts the text and graphic informations obtained from a computer and print it onto a paper. And printers are also having different size, speed, resolution and your memory card also. Now, printer is again divided into two major sections, that is your impact printer is there and non-impact printer is there. So, inside your impact printer, dot matrix is there, daisy wheel and line printer is there. And under your non-impact printer, inkjet printer is there and laser printer is there. So nowadays, inside your impact printer, the dot matrix is too much of popular, but as for non-impact printer, inkjet and parallelly laser is popular.